Usar frases para aprender inglés creo que es una de las formas más efectivas para todas esas personas que apenas están empezando en su proceso de aprendizaje. Así que en este video te voy a compartir 60 frases cotidianas, comunes, fáciles, con pronunciación para que tú puedas empezar a utilizarlas en tu práctica diaria de inglés. Empecemos.
How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thanks. I'm fine, thanks. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. My name is. My name is. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Mexico. I'm from Mexico. What do you do? What do you do? I don't understand. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Could you speak slower, please? Could you speak slower? How do you say in English? How do you say in English? What does this mean? What does this mean? Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're welcome. You're welcome. No problem. No problem. Please help me. Please help me. I need help. I need help. How much is this? How much is this? It's too expensive. It's too expensive. Do you have a smaller one? Do you have a smaller one? I would like this, please. I would like this, please. Can I pay by card? Can I pay with card? Can I pay with card? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm lost. I'm lost. How do I get to? How do I get to? Turn left. Turn left. Turn right. Turn right. Go straight. Go straight. It's near here. It's near here. It's far from here. It's far from here. What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? See you later. See you later. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. Take care. Take care. I like it. I like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. That sounds good. That sounds good. That sounds great. That sounds great. I agree. I agree. I don't know. I don't know. I think so. I think so. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Come in. Come in. Let's go. Let's go. Good luck. Good luck. Be careful. Be careful. I'm ready. I'm ready. One more time. One more time. It's okay. It's okay. Never mind. Never mind. Good job. Good job. Congratulations. Congratulations. I love it. I love it.
Cuéntame, ¿qué tal te parecieron estas frases? Puede que algunas ya las conocieras, puede que algunas no. No importa cuál sea tu nivel, el practicar con frases va a hacer que tu inglés mejore mucho más rápido que cuando tú, por ejemplo, coges y te aprendes una palabra de tecnología, una palabra de animales o de naturaleza, una palabra de ciencias, etc. Siempre es recomendable, yo siempre doy esa recomendación, de que aprendas frases, preguntas, oraciones, porque luego lo que puedes hacer es combinar. ¿Listo? Así que espero que te haya gustado mucho ese video. Déjame saber aquí en los comentarios qué otras frases quisieras aprender. Obviamente, cuéntame también qué frases ya conocías. Y, como siempre, si no te has suscrito por aquí, hazlo aquí abajito. Dale like al video. Comparte con tus amigos, activa las notificaciones, yo siempre digo esto como en orden diferente, activa las notificaciones para ser de los primeros que se enteran de los videos que publico semana a semana y tú y yo nos vemos en el siguiente video.